In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Note 13, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by accessing background apps. To do that with trickiest navigation, use this square button. Now click on floating windows at the top left corner and tap on one of your apps right away, or click on edit button at the top right corner and add any app that you wish to use in this view. I will go with File Manager. To save your added app, hit Done at the top right corner. Now to open it as a floating window, just click on it. As you can see, now I can use my app in this little window. To move it around, you need to hold it at the top and drag it. If you want to resize it, hold one of its bottom corners, scale it, and when you're ready, let go. If you wish to turn your app into a bubble, click on Home button. Then to access it, double tap the bubble. If you want to use your app in full screen view, you need to hold this lower line, drag it all the way down, and when you see this white area, just let go. You can also just close your window by going into background apps and swiping it. If you want to, you can always just click on one of your apps that you wish to use in pop-up view, open it in the background, and instead of clicking on floating windows, just hold your app. Then click on this icon on the left in the middle and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!